Mealy to Murray conversion. Next conversion is Mealy to Murray conversion. This is the one problem. Here present states are A, B, C and next state and outputs also is there. The outputs are indicate the small letters. Okay. This is the Mealy to Murray conversion. How to convert the Murray conversion? First see the transition state table of Murray conversion. Okay. In Murray machine. Okay. This is the transition state table. In Murray machine, we already know the outputs are depends on the present states only. So in this Murray machine, more number of states are present. Okay. Here the first present states P dot S and next state N dot S if x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Here single out. Okay, this is the transition state table. Here if you observe, this is the present state A. Present state A, if x equal to 0, the next state is produced B. Okay. If x equal to 1, the next state is produced C. In both, if x equal to 0 or 1, in both outputs are A. So there is no problem in there. And next coming to the state B, here present state is B. Here if x equal to 0, then output is B is there. If x equal to 1, then output is A is there. So different outputs are present in the state B. Okay. So B divides the 2. That is B naught if x equal to 0 and B1 if x equal to 1. If x equal to 0, then output is B is there. If x equal to 1, then output is A is there. Okay. And next state C. Present state is C. If x equal to 0, then output is A is there. If x equal to 1, then output is B is there. So here also different outputs is there. So C is also divides the 2. That is if x equal to 0. In that case, the output is A. Okay. And next, if x equal to 1, then output is B is there. Okay. And next, coming to the transition table of Murray machine. Okay. And here we observe the present state A. If x equal to 0, then next state is goes to the B. Okay. If x equal to 1, the next state is goes to the C. Okay. Here we observe B and C divide the 2. B naught B1 and C naught C1. Here how to see here you can write the present state A. Here the outputs are A. So first write down the A. Okay. Here the input is 0, x 0. Okay. Here the input is 0. Then output is A. A is observe the B1. So here write down the B1. Okay. And next C state. Here A output is there. Corresponding to the input state is next state is C naught. Okay. And next coming to the B state. Here B is divided in 2 types, B naught and B1. B naught is the present state. Okay. If x equal to 0, then next state is goes to the B. First write down the B. then output is B. Okay, output is appears here B. Corresponding to the next state is B naught. Okay, and next if x equal to 1, the next state goes to the C. Here the output is A. A is appears at here state is C. So we observe it C state. A is appears here corresponding to the bit is C naught. Okay. Here B naught is here. Then output is B. So you can write the B. And next state is B1. Okay, here B1 state, if x equal to 0, then next state is goes to the B. First you write down the B. Then output is B is there. In B state, output B is here. Corresponding to the next state is B naught. And next, if x equal to 1, the next state is goes to the C. Okay, here the output is A. Okay, in C state, A is output here. Corresponding to the next state is C naught. Okay, here B1, the B1 state is here. Then output is A is there. So A, output is A. And next state C. C state is divided in two times. First one is C naught and C1. These are the first one is the C naught. Okay. Here x equal to 0. The next state is goes to the B. First write down the B. Okay. Here the output is A. In B state, output is appears here. Corresponding to the next state is B1 is there. So B1. And next, if x equal to 1, the next state is produced C. First write down the C. Here the output is B is there. So in C state, B output is there. Here the corresponding to the next state is C1. So C1. Okay. In C naught next state, the output is A. So write down the A. And next C1. Okay, in C1, the present, if x equal to 0, next state is goes to the B. First write down the B. Here output is A. In B state, output is A. Here occurs in B1 state. And next, if x equal to 1, the next state is goes to the C. In C state, output is B. Output is B is there. Here corresponding to the state is C1. So C1. Okay. In C1 state, the output is B is there. So B. In C1, the output is B. And next see the transition state diagram. Here we observe more number of states are present. First see the A state. Here state A. This is the Murray state diagram. Murray transition state diagram. In Murray state, the states are, the outputs are also present. Okay. Here, if x equal to 0, the next state is goes to the B1 state. B1 state. Here x is 0. And next, if x equal to 1, the next state goes to the C naught. C naught. Here the input is 1. In A state, the output is A. Small a. Okay. And next, B naught state, present state. Here the B naught, if you, here x equal to 0, the next state goes to the B naught. B naught is there. B naught. Here x equal to 0, the next state goes to the B naught. So that is the steady state. Here the x is 0. And next here x equal to 1, the next state goes to the C naught. C naught is there. Here the input is 1. In B naught, the output is B. Okay, B naught is completed. And next B1. If here the x equal to 0, the next state goes to the B naught. Here the input is 0. B naught to B1. And next B1 present state, if x equal to 1, the next state goes to the C naught. Here the input is 1. Here B1, the output is A. So output is represented in the circle. B1 is also completed. And next C naught, if x equal to 0, the next state goes to the B1. C naught is goes to the B1. Here x is 0. And next C naught is here x input is 1. The next state goes to the C1. C1. Here C naught output is A. And next C1, if x equal to 0, the next state goes to the B1. C1 to B1. Here the input is 0. And next C1, if x equal to 1, the next state goes to the C1. So that is the steady state. Here in C1 present state, the output is B. Okay, this is the transition state diagram. You see